Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about the top 10 tips and precautions while on Twitter Spaces. But before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Are you using Twitter Spaces yet? Before starting your Spaces, you can try and test your space. Check how your mic sounds and the background noise. If there's a background noise, it will not sound good as listeners join your live space. You should have an environment or a room that is closed enough to start your streaming without unwanted noise that your mic can capture. First, establish the rules for your space. You can post your space rules, such as if it's a closed discussion with a co host or speakers. This way, the listeners will know that they won't be allowed to ask something or be given time to speak up. You can also apply a strict rule to discuss topics or share opinions that is relevant to the main topic of discussion. Also mention what are things that are not allowed, such as self-promotions. Now, if it's a Q&A session, your listeners will know that they are allowed to use the request icon to speak up during your audio discussion. As a host, you can still choose who you can allow to speak as you receive requests. By establishing the rules, you can expect to have a smooth and successful Twitter space discussion. Next, set a clear title for your space. Your title will help audiences decide if they want to attend your live Twitter space. Include a Twitter Spaces hashtag in your caption so that people who use this hashtag to look for spaces will discover your scheduled or ongoing discussion. Also, include the date and the time when you will start the space and include a time zone if needed. Next, invite co hosts and add speakers. It can help if you have co hosts that can help you manage your space. As the host, you can send requests to listeners to become co hosts or speakers. The co host that you will invite will have the ability to approve speakers and share tweets on your space, but they won't have the ability to invite other people to be the co host or even end the live stream. So make sure to send requests to co hosts that you can rely on and not sabotage your space. You can invite up to 2 co hosts to join your space. Then add speakers so that they can contribute to your topic of discussion. Make sure to look for speakers who are passionate about a topic so that they can provide relevant information to your listeners. Next, plan your discussion. It is not productive for your space if it's not planned. You can prepare a set of questions for your speakers. This way, you can avoid moments of silence where you don't have a flow in your discussion. It can help you keep your discussion going once the speaker is done sharing something about the topic. This will serve as a guide as you ask your speakers to elaborate more about what they have discussed. Next, schedule your spaces. Scheduling your space can help you prepare for the topic that you have chosen. As people learn about your scheduled Twitter space, you can expect more people to join you in your live audio discussion. Users can set a reminder so that they won't miss out on your Twitter space. Make sure you keep on tweeting about your scheduled space so that you'll attract more audiences. Next, record your space. It is best to choose the option to record your space so that you will have a copy of the discussion's playback. The users who are not able to join your space live will be able to catch up with the discussion by listening to the playback. Next, use the block or remove features. As a host of the space, you can take control over who can speak during the live Twitter space. If someone is not abiding by your house rules, is offensive, is doing self promotions, or creating a heated environment, then you can take action to block and remove the user or report and remove them from the space. Next, promote your space. You can increase awareness and attract more listeners if they know that you are hosting spaces. You can send invitations via DM to other Twitter users, copy the link, and share them on another social media platform or send it via email. Next, Make sure your internet connection is working properly. If you have planned your space's flow of discussion, the only thing that might hinder you from delivering the topic is when your connection is weak or if you get disconnected. The listeners who are tuned in might lose access to the space as well. It can disappoint your listeners and decide not to join your space for that time. If you need help to make courses and training, we have a marketing app that can help you create your own online courses that actually get sales. Create amazing courses with Udemy grade customer experience. It includes profit and conversion boosting plugins. It integrates a popular payment system. It even supports video courses on any platform. It has a rich interaction with built-in comments, reviews, and questions. Create awesome courses. It would be easy for you to set up, and your students will love the user-friendly experience. Access dozens of ready-made templates for everything. Customize your course themes to make it feel unique with your branding. Students can resume course playback where they left it. So try Course Funnels now. Go to the URL getcoursefunnels.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.